Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to get like my whole back done by keeping on having like the memory black.
Got done with one. I got like another 2 started already this summer.
What, on someone's back?
I finished that like a couple months ago, 2 months ago maybe.
What?
That Wizard poster thing.
What, you did that on somebody?
Little tiny shit. Took her 10 hours to get the fucking outline done. One shot. That's the thing about backs, man. You gotta, unless you're gonna get a bunch of little things
Put in?
try to put together, you gotta do it all in one shot. It's a bitch getting them like stenciled back on and like that, I can always have it like a one shot kind of thing for at least the outline.
Like, I wanted to get, like, Josh, a Scarface, sitting in a chair.
I love that gangster shit, man.
Like, you know that idea I told you about the bottle?
Yeah.
Pouring out that green stuff and then turning it into blood? And then it'd be pouring down to the clouds, with all my friends in the clouds.
I do like that idea, man. That's some pretty good stuff.
Now I don't know what to do about the lower half. Like, you know, like, get the whole back done.
Definitely, well, remind me before you go to give you my number and stuff. Well, I mean, Josh has got it and stuff. Like, I see if you ever want to come up with any ideas or anything to throw at me sometimes, definitely, just call or text me, whatever.
Yeah.
Feel free to send pictures,